If you are also annoyed and frustrated by the loading time of your project in render due to inactivity, then you have come to the right place. In this video, I will show you how you can fix this problem and make it active forever. So without wasting our time, let's get right into it. As you can see here, currently I'm on a free plan and it keeps loading due to inactivity. So to fix this, open a new tab and head over to script.google.com. Click on the new project. Let's give our project a name. Let's change the function name to ping. Type URL fetchapp.fetch and paste your project's URL. Let's save this by pressing Ctrl+yes. After this, go to Triggers. Click on Add Trigger. Select our function, which is ping. Set the source as time-driven. Below that, set to minute timer and select every 5 minutes. Save this. Save it again. Follow the simple steps as shown in the video. Don't worry if it shows an error. After a few seconds, it will automatically add our trigger. Once it's done, it will now ping our project every 5 minutes, which then allows our project to never be inactive. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.